evening. 6 words for tonight. Let's learn how to say water, milk, tea, coffee, juice, and liquor. Water is tubig. 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 Milk is gatas. Gatas. Coffee is kape. Kape. And tea is tsaa. Tsaa. Juice is also juice. And liquor is alak. Alak. Let's do a quick review of our 6 words for tonight. You could also find them down below on the About section. We have water, and that's tubig. 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 Milk is gatas. Gatas. We have coffee, and that's kape. Kape. Tea is tsaa. 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 And juice is also juice. Liquor is alak. Alak. Coffee, juice, or tea. And in Tagalog, that's kape, juice, or tsaa. And if you wanna say just water, tubig na lang. Just water. Thank you. Tubig na lang. Salamat. Water, tea, or juice. Tubig, tsaa, or juice. And if you wanna say you want coffee, you could say, pwede bang kape na lang, please? Salamat. And that's, can I just have coffee, please? Thank you. Pwede bang kape na lang, please? Salamat. So, that's it for tonight. Good night. Bye-bye.